Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajesh Paradi. In the last session, we discussed about compound ratio. So let us see few examples based on that principle or formula of compound ratio. See the example problem here. Compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x. Here what is given? The first ratio 5:8 and the second ratio 3:7. So the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x. So then find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x. So that first let us take what are the two ratios are given. So given A is to B, let us take the first ratio as A is to B, that is 5:8, and the second ratio as C is to D is equal to 3:7, and the compound ratio is given that 45:x. So first let us, when the two ratios are given, so what is the compound ratio? So we know very well compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D. So how to write compound ratio? A by B into C by D is equal to A into C by B into D. So we already know that compound ratio. So how to write two ratios? Compound ratio. So let us substitute the values. What are there? So A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 8. So let me substitute that places 5 by 8 into C is to D means C by D. So C and D, therefore 3 by 7. So it is equal to, now compound ratio. What is the compound ratio? Already given. So what is that? 45 by x. So let me, all the values we have substituted. Now let us check out, is there any possibility? Now see, 5 3s are 15 by 8 7s are 56 is equal to 45 by x. So we can able to simplify that, we can do cross multiplication. Okay, so 15 by 56 is equal to 45 by x. So that now let us do the cross multiplication. So 15 into x is equal to 45 into 56. So you can able to cancelize, or 15 you can transpose to that side, so that x is equal to 45 into 56 by 15. So you know very well 15 table we can get the 45. So let us see, 15 ones are 15 and 15 3s are 45. So that x is equal to 3 into 56. So 3 into 56 how much? It is equal to 168. So this is what the value of x. So what we did here, we have written the principle of compound ratio. So when two ratios are given, the compound ratio is product of numerators by product of denominators, nothing but AC by BD. So already given the 45 by x compound ratio. So we have to find the value of x. So after simplify, we got the value x is equal to 168. Let us see one more example. Here, compound ratio of 7:5 and 8:x is equal to 84:60. Here, what is given here? Two ratios are given and the compound ratio also given. In the second ratio, he did not give the one value. Instead of that, he mentioned as x. So we have to find the value of x. So the concept is what? Simply just concentrate on the compound ratio. What is a compound ratio? So two ratios compound ratio, AC by BD. If you understand that one concept, you can solve any kind of problem. So however he question you. Okay. So let us see now what are the two ratios as given. One is A is to B is equal to 7:5 and C is to D. Second ratio is 8:x. Now the compound ratio is given that 84:60. So we already know the compound ratio principle or formula. So what is that? Here just simply A by B into C by D is equal to AC by BD. So in this place, if we substitute the required values, then we get answer. So let us observe 7 by 5 into C is to D, that is as 8 by x is equal to 84 by 60. 84 by 60, which is given compound ratio. Now let us observe here 7 8s are, it is 56 by 5 into x. So it is as 5x is equal to 84 by 60. Now let us simplify of this part. Here do the cross multiplication, so that 56 into this 60 comes to be here 60 and 5x goes to that side. 5x into 84. So we know very well 84 and 56 both are multiples of we can do 4 table. Okay, so here 4 12s are and 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are. So now here 12 and 21. So both are multiples of 3. We can do that. 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. So that next here 5 table, 5 1s are and 5 12s are. So what we got here? 12 4s are, it's 48 is equal to x into 7, therefore 7x. So now x value we want, so that transpose the 7 to LHS, so that 48 by 7 is equal to x. So this is what the finding the method to be any question mark given in the ratios. Thank you for watching.